How to use the new Windows 11 Focus Sessions feature. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So to set up Focus Sessions, you'll need to go to Settings. So go to the search bar, search for Settings and then open it up, and then you'll need to go to system on the left hand side and you'll find focus option here. Tap on it so you can use the focus session to organize goals and make sure that you're productive. So you can see start focus session option and you can even set the focus duration. The session duration can be 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 60 minutes, any way you want. You can see that you can choose to show the timer in the clock app, hide badges on taskbar, hide flashing on taskbar apps, and even turn on do not disturb. Now you just have to tap on start focus session and it will start. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.